Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine at your places. Today, I will narrate a story, Two Birds and a Monkey. Once there were two birds lived on a tree. One day, it was raining heavily. One monkey took shelter on that tree. He was shivering in the cold. The birds found it very funny. One bird said, "Hey monkey, you are a fool. You are so big, but still you cannot build your home." Monkey got angry. He tore the nest of the birds. Now the birds realized that we should not make fun of others. Parents, kindly help your ward to narrate the story with proper actions and do make the videos and send to us. Thank you.